These are the parts of the bird feeder camera. First, we put the perch together with the camera. Fix. Install waterproof cover. Install the antenna. The camera is prepared. Select a location to install the bracket. Fix. Add bird feed to the camera. Fix the camera on the bracket. The installation is complete. When the camera battery is about to run out, take off the camera. Connect the power supply. The light will change color, and the camera starts to charge. Select a location to install the bracket. Fix. Add bird feed to the camera. Fix the camera on the bracket. The installation is complete. The camera supports bird identification function when a bird appears in the detection area. The camera can identify the bird species and provide relevant information.